Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making 4 ingredient Nutella cookies. So you will need 1 cup of Nutella, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar and 1 egg. Mix all of your ingredients together in a bowl. And if you find that your mixture is still too dry, add a little bit of water. Knead it, and once it comes together like this, all you need to do is separate them into balls and put them on a baking tray. Like this. And then bake them in a preheated oven of 180 degrees until they're crisp for about 10 minutes, no more than that, and then let them cool. And there it is guys, very simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. See you next time. Bye guys.